All right, so we back on it. I was sitting there looking at it, and I know I'm gonna have to order another gasket because this thing is smashed in. Reminder, this thing has been in here since 1982, so it's expected. But we're gonna start off by cleaning this side, and we're gonna start cleaning out the hoses in this side. Let's see how clean it can get. So I had to let them things soak a little bit because you see the little crevices all around it's getting clean, but on the sides of it, it's kind of hard to get clean. So I'm gonna let it soak for a second.